One time, you already know what it is. We back at it, man. Boy, baby D checking in, man. Going down. S.O.C.E. Productions, man. On count AMG. Loud music group, man. We in the building, man. The box just touched down. See how we for the kids, these folks for the summertime, you know what I'm talking about. Let's see what kind of drip we got in this folks. Big shout out to my boy Banks, man. S.O.C.E. Productions, man. Mr. Swagger Fisher himself, man. I know everything is on the website. Let's see what he got for two big ass boxes, too. Okay, let's see. Got this thing wrapped up. Let's see what we got in this one. Let's see what we got up in there. Okay. Oh, man. They ain't ready for the bags, man. They ain't ready for the bags. Good quality, man. S.O.C.E. production, man. Look at that thing. Crazy, too. Ooh. Good bag. They ain't come with the extra strap, too, on that thing. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Good quality leather. Damn, leather on it do feel good, though. Like the quality of leather. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Put a lot of weed in there. Let's see what else we got. Big shout out to my dog, man. S.O.C.E, man, production, man, going down. Man. Block Crew coming out soon, man. Y'all better look out for that shit, man. Start me, you know what I'm saying? Block boy. Oh, we got different colors. Oh, no, we got the blue. Okay. Man, so, all right, too, though. Quality, man. Quality is unmatched. Yeah, the smell, the quality. Oh, man, you can hold it like that, too. Oh, man. Yeah, the quality is unmatched. I'm gonna let y'all see this in the light. I'm just putting out the box. I want to let y'all see me do a grand opening first. This is what I think I'm finna rock tonight, though. I'm gonna rock that black one right here. I already got something ready to go with. Everything clean. Good zipper. Good quality. Good quality. Look like a crazy photo shoot. Oh, man. Right here, sunny right here all day. Red hard, too. Bad, they come in all different colors, as you can see. All different flavors. You can smell the leather. It's good quality. Oh yeah, this ain't that cheap shit. Nah, this some good quality. This gonna last a long time right here. Take it to the Falcon game. Nothing like the yellow. The mellow yellow. Boy, Mr. S.O.C.E, he overdid it, said this time. I'm talking about, and Wayne going crazy. I ain't got the book bags to go with him, boy. What? Shh. Man, you can't tell me this junk ain't fly. I got the real leather bags too with the. Oh man, they tripping, bro. This thing ain't hard. And the quality of how it's made, man, it's just so immaculate. Yeah, you gonna get yeah. Yeah. And it got a lot of space in it. Zippers made good. Oh man, the quality is crazy. It's like it's over and beyond quality of this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Quality is unmatched. This shit hard, bro. These are different flavors. Okay. Got red, boy. Duffers in the bags, match. Bad. It's all fresh, though. I'm not gonna lie to you.